Hi everyone, my name is Brian and I'm the 3D print creator. Thanks for watching my channel. On this YouTube channel you will find tons of information about 3D printing and about everything related to 3D printing and do-it-yourself projects. Like for example, how to set up your slicer or how to use some filaments, what you can change on your printers and how you can make your printers better, or nice projects to make. So if you like that type of content, then please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit that notification bell, because otherwise you won't be notified every time I make a new video. Also, there is a supporting website on which you can find all the information about the things I did in the past. So if you like that kind of content, well, subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell and also visit my website. Thanks for watching and well, I hope to see you again. Bye bye.